Welcome back to Bike Future, where we bring you the latest and most in-depth insights into the world of motorcycles. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2025 Honda Fury 1300, a bold statement from Honda in the world of factory choppers. Known for its aggressive design and unmistakable presence, the Fury returns this year with updated features, subtle refinements, and that same raw attitude that made it an icon. Whether you're a cruiser enthusiast or just curious about Honda's most rebellious bike, this video will cover everything you need to know. A bold return with classic roots. The Honda Fury has always stood apart in Honda's lineup. It's not your average metric cruiser. With long stretched lines, a raked-out front end, and a low-slung profile, the Fury was designed to capture the spirit of custom choppers right off the showroom floor. For 2025, Honda hasn't reinvented the wheel, but they've made enough refinements to keep the Fury relevant in an increasingly competitive market. It still holds on to its DNA but adds some fresh touches that show Honda hasn't forgotten about style or performance. Styling and design. Visually, the 2025 Fury stays true to its name. It's aggressive, muscular, and unmistakably bold. This year's model gets new color options, including a striking metallic crimson red and a matte graphite black. The paint quality is excellent, with deep finishes that highlight the sculpted tank and frame. The front end remains dramatically raked at 32 degrees, giving the Fury its signature stretched-out stance. Honda has also refined some trim details, including new LED lighting elements and blacked-out engine covers for a more modern, custom look. Engine and performance. At the heart of the 2025 Fury is the same proven 1312cc liquid-cooled V-twin engine, delivering smooth torque and strong mid-range power. It's not the fastest bike out there, and it doesn't need to be. This engine is all about low-end grunt, ideal for cruising down the highway or turning heads at low speeds in the city. Honda has made minor tuning adjustments this year for better throttle response and slightly improved fuel efficiency, though the real-world difference will be subtle. The 5-speed transmission remains unchanged, as does the shaft drive, which keeps things low maintenance and smooth. Comfort and ergonomics. Despite its chopper appearance, the Fury is surprisingly comfortable for longer rides. The seat height is a low 26.9 inches, making it accessible for most riders, and the wide handlebars offer decent leverage and control, while the suspension is on the firmer side, especially in the rear. It's tuned well enough to absorb typical road imperfections without jarring the rider. It's not a touring bike by any means, but for weekend cruises and short commutes, it does the job well. Technology and features. In terms of tech, the Fury keeps things simple, and that's part of its appeal. There's no touchscreen ride modes or Bluetooth integration here. What you do get is a clean analog speedometer with a small digital display for trip and fuel info. ABS is standard, which adds a layer of safety without complicating the ride. For riders who want an old-school feel with just enough modern convenience, the Fury hits a sweet spot. Who is it for? The 2025 Honda Fury isn't trying to be everything to everyone. This is a motorcycle for riders who value style, attitude, and simplicity over high-tech distractions or extreme performance. It's ideal for those who want the look and feel of a custom chopper, without the hassle or price tag of building one from scratch. Whether you're a newer rider drawn to its aesthetics or a seasoned cruiser fan looking for something different, the Fury delivers a unique experience few bikes in this category can match. Final thoughts. The 2025 Honda Fury 1300 is proof that sometimes less is more. Honda hasn't drastically changed the formula, but they didn't need to. With its timeless design, dependable V-twin engine, and aggressive stance, the Fury continues to carve out its niche in the cruiser world. If you're looking for a factory-built chopper that turns heads and offers rock-solid reliability, this might just be the bike for you. Thanks for watching Bike Future. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss our latest reviews and motorcycle updates. Ride safe, and we'll see you in the next video.